Good morning. I've played many matches in Chennai, but I've never experienced anything like this. So thanks for this love and affection. I don't know how memorable it will be for you guys to see me here, but for me, definitely this will stay with me for a long, long time. This is a special experience for me. I was asked to give a very, very brief message, literally a couple of minutes. Since I see my family photograph here, I'd like to repeat something which my father had told me. When I first played for India, which was my dream, my father took me aside and told me that you have reached your landmark. Now what next? So I told him that I'm going to continue playing for India. So he said, everything in life is going to be temporary. You will play cricket for 10, 15 years, maybe 20 years. But what happens beyond that? Because everything is going to be temporary in your life. The only thing which will stay permanently with you till your last breath is the person that you are. The nature of a person has to be good. So I said, a lot of things will happen when you play cricket. People will appreciate, but I would be happier if people appreciated you more as a good person. So try and be a good person. It's something I would want all of you boys and girls to follow. Try and be a good person first. I can see sea of diamonds here. I would say rough diamonds, unpolished diamonds. You all have dreams. You all have vision in life of what you want to be, to become a priceless, precious diamond. You all are talented. You all are sent down by God with some or the other talent. We just need to identify that. And then from an uncut, unpolished diamond to become a polished, priceless diamond, it is a process, it's a journey where the path won't be easy. Sometimes when you're trying to do certain things, there might be obstacles. Don't give up, don't find shortcuts. I think it is important to follow the right path always. And in tough times, tough men last. So I'm very, very confident that if you follow the right things in life, you would be able to achieve your dreams. Sport, for me, has taught a lot of things. Sport has taught me to compete hard and fair, and at the same time, respect the opposition. You have to learn to respect your opposition. And above all, I think, as a sportsman I'm talking, above all you have to respect the game. No individual is bigger than the game. Now here, I'm sure not everyone wants to become sportsmen. There are certain boys and certain girls who would want to become doctors, engineers, lawyers, cricketers, hockey players, football players, tennis players, whatever. Don't forget to respect your parents, your teachers, your elders. Their guidance is important, and with their guidance, I'm sure you will be on the right path. I don't want to take too much of your time, but whatever experience I have had here in the last 45 minutes has been truly memorable. And in future, if I'm in Chennai, I would again like to come and congratulate you on your success. All the very best.